Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you can recognize these levels, but you can see that I have added few levels lines. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD first, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. So let's get started. So first and foremost, if you look at the trend of the market here, then the overall trend of the GBP USD seems to be in sideways, and as we all know, sideways market, neither buyers nor sellers are dominating. Okay, means the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal if we consider the overall trend of the market. But if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see that GBP USD is an uptrend, and as we all know, GBP USD or British Pound has a correlation with the US dollar. Whenever dollar goes up, GBP goes down, and whenever dollar goes down, GBP goes up. This is the chart of US dollar DXY, and you can see that there was a heavy selling pressure on US dollar for the last couple of days. There is a heavy selling going on in the chart of US dollar, and as a result there is a good buying going on in the chart of GBP USD. And when we see the same picture on Euro USD, Gold USD as well. So heavy selling on the USD chart and good buying on the GBP USD chart. But unlike the chart of Gold USD or Euro USD, there are some complications on the GBP USD chart. So let's try to understand them. Okay. So first and foremost, okay, we need to understand that market is trading above this resistance line. You can see that this trend line has been acting as a strong resistance for the market for last couple of months, but you can see that market is trading above this resistance line right now, and there is also a resistance apart from this resistance line, okay, which is now not a valid one. Market has faced a new resistance, this one, and market is trading here. Okay, market faced resistance here, market failed to cross the level here, and ultimately market came down, and right now market is trading here. So there is a kind of chaos going on in the chart of GBP USD at this particular portion, because market is not unable to cross this resistance level, but market has crossed the previous trend line, which was acting as a very strong resistance for the market, and still trading above this resistance line. Clear? Okay. I cannot say it's not clear. Okay, so as the market is an uptrend right now, as GBP USD is an uptrend right now, so considering the trend of the market, the best trading opportunities will also always be near the support, because as we all know, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as GBP USD is an uptrend right now, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities. So right now market is trading here. The picture is not much clear what is going on here, so you should not trade. Okay, do you think that you should trade on a chart that you do not understand? Do you think that your hard-earned money deserves a trade like this, where you don't know what is going on in the chart? No. Okay, so as the market is in uptrend, and as we all know, the best trading opportunity in an uptrend market is always near the support. Therefore, the first support or the first trading opportunity on this chart is this trend line. This trend line, because you can see that when market was going up, or whenever market was coming down, it was taking support at this trend line. Therefore, we can hope that when market will be facing selling pressure again, market will take support. Market will take support and bounce. So if market bounces from this trend line, then only you will get your first uh, trading opportunity. Right now you should not trade in the middle. So let the market bounce from this trend line, then only go for buy order. Just keep in mind that confirmation is always important, and you'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern or price rejection from below. Once you see that price is respecting this trend line as a valid support, just click on the buy button. Clear? The second important support level on this chart is this red line in the middle. If you do not have this red line or this weekly support drawn on your chart, then I'll request you to draw this trend line at 1.3780 level. This level is important because this is a support from the weekly chart. And why this level is important for us, at least for the day, is the chart of DXY. As I have just clearly mentioned you that whenever dollar goes up, GBP goes down, and when dollar goes down, GBP goes up. Dollar was falling, GBP was going up, but right now you can see that US dollar has reached a support level. It has reached a support level, and previously also when there was a heavy selling pressure on the dollar chart, this level provided support to the market. Therefore there is a possibility, good possibility, that market US dollar will try to recover from this support level. So if US dollar tries to recover from this support level, then definitely there will be selling on the GBP USD. Therefore, if dollar starts going up from the support, then market will not respect this trend line. Market will break the trend line, and in that case you should not go for buy. So your next trading opportunity will be buy at this level, at this weekly support level, as the market is an uptrend. So in case GBP USD breaks also the trend line, do not short the market, because you will be going against the trend. That is not a good decision. So your next trading opportunity or buying opportunity will be near this support level. So in case market breaks the trend line, in case you fail to take a buy at the trend line, do not worry, you will get the next trading opportunity or buying opportunity at the weekly support level. When market will be respecting and bouncing from the weekly support level, you can go for buy. So that this trend line is your first trading option, and this weekly support is your second buying option. And my dear friends, if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 65% retail traders have taken short position and 34% retail traders have taken long position. As we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money in general. So trade with proper analysis and trade with proper logic. This is my request. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities with you. If you are interested, just go to the Pro Trader section here on the website avilashajarka.com. You'll find everything in detail. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.